Good rising, sacred souls. I am very grateful for your presence in this moment. Today I'm going to talk about the nature of reality. We often confuse ourselves with the observed, with the creation, without realizing that we are the observer, the creator, who is creating. The observed can always be described, but for the observer, there is no description, there is no equation, no formula, no painting, no book that can describe the observer. Truth creates illusions. The answer creates the questions. The silence creates sound. The dark creates the light. The stillness creates the movement, and the emptiness creates abundance. So let me repeat that. The answer creates the questions, the silence creates the sound, the dark creates the light, the stillness creates the movement, and the emptiness creates the abundance. The answers are all encoded in your DNA before the questions arise, but in order for you to find the answers, you must first ask the questions. The questions are searching, and the answers are the ones who are hiding. Therefore, when you ask questions and search for answers, you are playing a game of hide and seek with yourself, where you are simultaneously hiding and seeking. So the answer gives birth to all questions. With each question, you are led closer to the one answer. And when you receive this answer, from which every question arises, you will see how all the questions dissolve into that one answer, like a water drop in the ocean. We live in a world full of reflections, but not many look deeply into them. And when we burn the bridge between the so-called outer world and the inner world, the mirrors will shatter, and we will not experience our imagination. The light, the colors, will return to darkness. The music will return to silence. Movement will flow back into stillness. Questions will dissolve into the one answer. All that is imaginary will dissolve in the source where only love exists. Love is a state of being, and everything else is changeful, an illusion, a belief, and not the truth. We can only act as if we could forget, but it's all just a cosmic joke, a theater of the matrix. But if we act as if we could lose ourselves deeply in our roles, then we play that we have forgotten, that we have forgotten. We are here to remember what can never be forgotten. We act as if we are searching for where we come from, searching for the place that can never be left, the place from which one can never be separated, because everything is one. There are no distances, no time. We act as if we dream, as if we travel, as if we cry, forget, have desires, and so on. But we just simply rest in the limitless stillness of unconditional love. And we need nothing, because we are everything we could ever wish for. We have everything, and therefore there is no wanting. In truth, there is no bridge from the inner world to the outer world, from the real to the unreal, from the intangible to the tangible. And the closer you look, the larger the picture will be that you see, as the microcosm reflects the macrocosm, and vice versa. We are the creator, who can only experience itself through its creation. We play in this theater, pretending to be the creations. And remember what Alan Watts once said, that to know that you are God is another way of saying that you are one with the universe. Furthermore, darkness shows us unity by being connected to the inner world and not reflecting false lights that suggest separations and time. But the electromagnetic lights reflect our inner world, helping us see that everything is interconnected. However, if someone does not see the lights as mirrors, then that being has been drawn into the spell of electromagnetic light and mistakes the fractal illusions of separations for truth. Therefore, many get lost in the light, but darkness allows you to see. It allows you to realize where change comes from, that everything arises from the One, and that locality and time is one of the cosmic jokes. Thank you for taking your precious time and expensive energy to listen to what I have to say. And may you always be a magnet for miracles and deep healing, with raining stars in bloom and drowning roses of dreams, just me.